Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. We are making this baby bodysuit in this video. Let's talk about the tools we are going to use in this video. We need something to cut with. You will see me use scissors, a rotary cutter, and a small thread cutter. We do need something to keep things in place. For that, we use clips, pins, and a glue pen. We are using a prime burial pliers and ring snaps. We are also using a folder for the ribbons. And of course, we need the ribbon, the fabric, and the sewing pattern. We start with cutting the two pieces we need. We cut them against the fold using the rotary cutter. This bodysuit is very easy to make. We are going to sew ribbons here, 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 and here. All the ribbons we make are on a baby lock victory serger and a folder. We trim the excess ribbons, otherwise the shoulder ribbons will be bulky. The shoulder ribbons should go like this, so we start on the front piece and we sew the length we need, and then sew the ribbon onto the back piece. We do it in the opposite direction on the other side. If you are unsure about the length of the ribbons, you will get a detailed description on that in our sewing pattern. It's time for the side seam, but first, we have to cut the excess ribbons. We turn the bodysuit inside out like this and apply glue and clips on the sides. And while I do that, you should subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. We sew the side seams like this with a regular sewing machine and a false overlock seam. All that is left is the buttons, and fasten any loose threading. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Happy Sewing if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!